Small business owners, you don't need to spend $1,000 plus for the top of the line ergonomic chairs anymore. Here's the good news. From OfficeLogix, you can buy the same exact chairs that everyone's buying for over $1,000 plus, and you can get them for more than half off. And here's the catch. All you gotta do is go to our website and you'll find chairs like this that ran $1,000 plus and get it for $400 and $500, depending on the features. And what's great about it is you're gonna get it just like new and no one can tell the difference. You're gonna have brand new fabric back, brand new fabric seat, new arm pads, new premium casters that actually Steelcase charges a premium for. These are the 3-inch casters actually. So these will roll super smooth and easy with a soft rubberized edge that'll protect your hardwood floors. I want to also mention that we've changed the cylinders if needed, and that gives your chair another 10 years of life, if not more. So you'll actually be getting very close to what is a new chair. Another thing that I want to mention is that Steelcase, when they first made these chairs, they made these with a defect in the arm pads. A lot of the older models, these arm pads were made of 2 layers of a foam layer and a vinyl on top thin layer that would bubble up with heat and humidity and over time use. So we made these in the improved format, which is a single piece of foam, which will be much more durable and more comfortable in the long run, and they will not have that bubbling feature and separation, which the Steelcase Leap V2s are known to have. So that being said, even Steelcase did that same kind of improvement, and we matched that improvement in the arm pads, and you're getting that with your chair. So no one can tell the difference that this chair is a refurb. If you are a business owner and you want it to have a branded chair for your office, we have premium branding. These are vinyl branded logos. They don't wear off like printed fabric. So when someone sits down and gets up, that's a touch and a rub. That will go off if you have a printed logo. However, these are vinyl letters and they will last much longer, and they feel even better and smoother. So that being said, if you have 10 plus, that's not really that much for a business. If you have only 10 plus chairs, you can get your own customized logo, and even on top of that, customize the fabric color that you want on your chair. This is a really awesome opportunity for any business owner to get their own branding and effect in their companies and in their office setting. Just go to OfficeLogixShop.com and then you can find some of these chairs that are already refurbished, or even message us on that platform to get a quote for any customized Steelcase Leap V2s.